Oh, just the one item. You go ahead.
Thank you, that's very decent of you.
What's the occasion?
Oh, first day back at work.
What are you specialising in? Rent boys?
Thank you.
That's what you are, isn't it? A rent boy pimp? You exploited Harry Thompson. Passed him round all your pervy lawyer mates like he was nothing. And now he's in prison because of you.
I saved Harry. He would be dead in a ditch by now if it wasn't for me. You demented little hobgoblin!
No, don't hit me!
What? Oi, get away from her.
Sammy!
You lay one finger on her and I will end you.
Sammy, let him go.
Stay away from her family, do you hear me?
She was haranguing me.
Oh, and by the way, if you're interested, I just passed your boyfriend Kyle in A&E.
Kyle is not my boyfriend.
Oh, come on. Drop the pretense, yeah, I know.
I can assure you, I would sooner pay for it than turn to that cripple.
You two are a couple, he told me.
Maybe in his dreams. And tell your needy little siblings to stay away from me.
Did you get it?
Every shot.